I was so excited to film this video to show you how this shoe cleaning cloth got my son's baseball cleats nice and clean, because I have tried cleaning them with soap and water and they don't come out that good. They still look dirty and dingy from sand and playing in the grass and mud. Just watch the video. Watch how they got so cleaned up. And in the description of my YouTube video, I will have my Amazon affiliate link where you can buy them. And if you use my link, I will earn commission. So thank you very much. What? Holy cow. Coming off clean right now. What? Holy cannolis. Look at that. Watch this, watch this. Watch this. I'm going to just do one side. Watch this. Hard to do with just one hand. What? You can see it did not dye my pants. See that? My pants are black. So it's not bleach. It's not dyeing it. It's just cleaning it. Wow. But look at this. Look how white it looks. Wow. What? It's getting clean. You need to get this. You need to get this. Use my link down below. Keep watching. It's like comes right off. Look at that. And it smells very nice. It's a very light, kind of like a soapy scent in a way. It seems to have very all-natural, eco-friendly ingredients. Look at that. Look at the difference. This definitely gets the Crunchified Clean seal of awesomeness. Use my link down below and get your sneakers nice and crunchified clean.